Diaz present. RD, please have a seat. RD, have you taken your oath, RD? Jen? Have you taken your oath?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is Police Superintendent Retired Floro present also? Please, Colonel, please occupy the seat. Anyway, gusto ko lang balikan po. Kasi, Mr. Arostiki, when the Civil Service Commission submitted to this committee